Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. Today we're going to be walking through a special boat. This is a Sea Ray 250 SDX. This is going to have a nice wide front section with the filler cushion. So you can sit 5 comfortable if you're docked out in the cove and want some sun, or put in a little filler cushion and have a nice bed style. Very tall gunnels as you walk through into the cockpit. Here you're going to have 2 very nice forward-facing loungers. They both are reversible for when it comes time to again dock in that cove. You can have everybody in a nice centrally located position. This boat is going to be able to fit up to 14 people per the Coast Guard capacity sticker. One unique feature on this boat is the very large cabin. You have a nice little head compartment down here with the ability to put this cushion down and have a bed. As you move back on this boat, you'll have your second of the loungers. Nice forward-facing lounger, and then a back-facing aft portion. This is a wonderful family boat and wonderful spot right there in the middle of the Sea Ray lineup. It's not quite a 27-foot, but it's a little larger than a 23-foot. If you have questions about this Sea Ray, please give us a call. Our link is in the description below.